Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is not going to be about too much about Corel. Somebody posted this on Facebook, another puzzle generator that's pretty easy and it's pretty quick. So I thought I'd share it with my subscribers. So if you go to, and I am going to put this link onto I'm going to put the link below the video. You can change how many tile you want. You want 10 by 10. Now it is in millimeters, but we can figure it out. You know, you can make it, so I'm going to make it back to 5 by 5 so you can see a couple options you have. There's a deal called jitter, and if you look at your lines, and it makes it a little bit weirder, odd shapes. I think that looks like a normal puzzle. You can change the tab size and make them smaller or make them larger. This, I don't really know the speed, but it does completely change the puzzle look. So once you're happy, just download it. It'll pop up. And then you can save it or open it, and then right click and save as. And we're gonna call it Puzzle 3. It's going into my picture folder. Then just go to Corel, go to import, or right click your mouse, type in Puzzle 3, and it brings it up. Now, this is where we could change it here and make it, if we wanted it 10 inches by 10 inches, we could do that. So now we're back to inches. You can go up to object and break the puzzle apart, and then you have individual lines. You can select the whole thing. Right click your mouse red, go down here and make sure it's a hairline. And because we broke it apart, if you brought in a picture into this, you could move some of these lines around so they might not be in somebody's face or whatever, and you could actually change your puzzle up quite a bit by whatever you want to do to it. So I want to thank that person that found this. It can't get much easier than that. And if we go and just make puzzle pieces with the Smart Fill tool, that's pretty good. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.